How to put images in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application on your device, and then all you have to do is wait for a while until it loads you to the user interface of the Canva application. Next, what we're going to do is tap on the template over here just to show you on how to add or put the images in Canva. So I'm gonna use any of these random templates over here. So let me choose for this one, and as I do that, what you can simply do is wait for a while. So here you can see the template is right there. So if you want to add any sort of images in this template over here, you'll have the different options or the menus at the over here at the bottom of the screen over here. So here you can see the option of gallery if you want to put the images. So tap on gallery, and as you tap on gallery, you'll be able to see all your photos and videos over here. You can add according to your wish as well. Now if you want to add any of the pictures, so let me add this one and tap on add to page. And as you do that, you can just make it according to your requirement, the size and everything. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.